How to make a song on SoundCloud. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can make a song on SoundCloud, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, making a song on SoundCloud is also fairly simple. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the SoundCloud application. Now, if you have some type of songs that you've already made and now you decided you want to make and upload them onto SoundCloud platform so that you can make it public and other people can listen. So for that, you can tap the upper arrow icon from the top, and here you can simply select the music from your device which you would like to upload, and once done you can simply give your music a title. You can pick a genre for it as well, and then after that you can choose to describe your track depending on what is it you want to describe for. Add a caption. You can choose to make the track private or you can choose to make it public. Then tap the save option to post your songs and then put them on SoundCloud. This way you can make a song on SoundCloud. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.